welcome back to Mindly Beauty, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to transform this snatched beat face into even more snatched beat face at night. Makeup, I'm going to show you how just to do a quick smoky brown look to, you know, amp up your makeup just a little bit more. All right, so let's get right into it. I'm going to go in with my Juevis palette Warrior, my Warrior Juevis palette, however you say it. But I love this palette. I love this palette, and I love my Jaclyn Hill Morphe, my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. These are the only two makeup palettes that I really use for myself. I am going to go in with this like burnt orange, I guess you could say, this color right here. They have the names, actually they have the names on the back. I don't feel like looking for it, but I'm gonna go in with this burnt orange look just for like as my transition shade. So zoom in just a little bit, come in a little closer. So go in with that burnt orange as my transition shade. And we're just gonna pat this all over the lid. Now I'm going to go in to my Juevis palette, and I'm going to use this caramel color, I guess you could. I'm just going to use this to blend in that orange color to start making it a little bit more brown. Right, and now we are going to move in with a darker shade. I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I think I'm going to use this color, and I'm going to be putting that on my lid area to give it like that brown smoky look. And now you see how I'm just like patting it so that it can like actually get onto the lid. I'm not really like blending it. Now I'm going to just blend in the two colors with that same brush that I use for my transition. And now I'm gonna go in with this little darker color shade to like deepen it a little bit more. Now you can go under your under eye and smoke it out, but I don't think I will because I already have eyeliner and I don't want it to look like I'm a raccoon. I still want to keep, you know, the brightness up under my eyes. So I'm just going to take whatever is left from the outer corner and kind of like blend it downward so that it's like no like line of demarcation. And then I'm going to take a little bit of eyeliner and kind of like blend in my lash line. but I'm not going to be making like a full wing. I'm just kind of like covering my lash band. But yeah, this is something simple and quick and easy that I would do, say if like I'm out running around and like I'm going out and I don't feel like wiping off my foundation and redoing my whole makeup. I'm like, all right, let me just do an eye look real quick. This is something that I tend to go to. It's still cute, it's still like, you know, snatchable, but it's real quick and simple. It's still, you know, it goes with anything. Browns tend to go with anything. It's smoked out, still says hello, still snatched, okay? And yeah, so that's how you take your daytime look and transition it into a nighttime look. I hope this was something simple and easy for you and very helpful and very useful. Yeah, so stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye.